Boliwani go kwaruru gochia sabo boli kwene kibunangu kwanira barabana babo unachire moyo kwene kibunangu twara bale chimbwa chire chingi ya chinga kibakwira nasi chiskuru ukana ime ya magachi ye bunge nene Women Reps we county ya Kisii Doris Donya buli hamono yo Nyamira ojerusha mumanye nikubaicanire bikorwa emerero ase chiskuru bibarekanire comment kana mono asa matukabwa mbwiga chinga kechi Donya igaruro kuboli agochia se bunge nene gwetiri chiko yokurusi chiskuru che boarding bunenchereyemo yogokiani bikorwa bunebyo.
And I want to talk to parents. My dear parents, wherever you are, let's take our role as parents to advise our children, to talk to our children whenever they go to boarding schools. Those children need our guidance. They need to be taught on how to behave, on how to live with others, and for sure, this has been the greatest setback that we have had as Kenyans, and the forensic investigation should be done. I also want this afternoon to send my condolences to the families who have lost their loved ones, the very young souls who are going to be very vibrant in our country. We want to say pole sana for what has happened.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The issue of boarding schools, Mr. Speaker, we as members of parliament can pass a law that says something on boarding schools, which I suggest we should not have boarding schools because, Mr. Speaker, more deaths have come because of these boarding schools. You can all remember, honorable members, when our children opened school, we are told a certain bus has caused an accident, a certain bus, all the directions where our children go. That's number one, and safety for our learners. Number two, we must have suggestion box in our schools so that our learners can express their dissatisfaction, and the committee which will be formed can go around, Mr. Speaker, and get to know what the learners are going through.